and welcome to Blocks Rule. This week's LEGO build is the Star Wars Resistance Y-Wing Starfighter. It will be a 30-second time-lapse fast build, and then I will review all the special highlights. The Y-Wing, also known as the wishbone, most people just call it the Y-Wing. It's a Star Wars fictional spacecraft. First appearance was in the Star Wars book in 1976. It then appeared in the 1977 movie Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. Its last appearance was in the Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. I really like what they did with Poe Dameron. I like his costume and most of all his satchel. The Snowtrooper is similar to the Stormtrooper, although the Snowtrooper wore insulated armor and helmets for cold weather. The cape is part of the Snowtrooper's outfit too. He looks really angry when he's not wearing his helmet. Zorii Bliss is a friend of Poe. They both work together as spice runners. Little else is known about her. On the LEGO character, she has no face, very mysterious, and also very creepy. This is an astromech droid. Love the color. And the print, it's really cool. Dio is a very tiny LEGO piece. He is a very excitable little droid. This was his first appearance in Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. This is all of the LEGO figures together, and as you can see, Dio is really small compared to all of the other LEGO pieces. LEGO set number 75249 Star Wars Resistance Y-Wing Starfighter has 578 pieces and is for ages 8+. The cockpit hatch has multiple positions when opening and closing. As you can see, it is flown by a single pilot, and located behind the cockpit is a astromech droid slot. The Starfighter reminds me of a porcupine. It has defensive systems all over it. It's armed with a twin ion cannon on a rotating turret. It has two forward-mounted laser cannons. The Y-Wing's purpose was both a starfighter and a bomber. It was highly effective with having both speed and firepower. I think LEGO has done a really great job with the armament on the Y-Wing and allowing it the interaction with it. It has 3 proton bombs that can be top loaded in the back of the Y-Wing. You can then rotate this mechanism to release the bombs. It also has 2 Proton torpedo launchers that have a trigger-activated release. Here I'm showing the proton bombs released at a regular speed and then in slow motion. With this firepower, it could unleash a tremendous amount of damage, especially when attacking in groups. I really like this Lego set. It comes with 5 Lego figures. It looks great in this color scheme. It has an opening cockpit, and most of the armament is fully interactive for recreating your own action-packed scenes with friends. I paid $89.99 in Canada, and you can still purchase it as of March 2021. Hope you enjoyed the build. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Please join us again next time when we will be building the Avengers Ultimate Quinjet. Bye guys, and remember, blocks rule!